Okay guys, let's unbox it. This is my first time ever ordering a couch online, and it was from Wayfair, and it is a Logan Chenile 8-piece couch. So let's go unbox this thing. Let's turn it over. It's huge. It's gonna have 8 pieces. The first piece came today. Oh, look at this. We have the bottom here. This is huge. This is massive. I tell you, I'm honestly worried about the Chenile fabric. Let's see. Oh my gosh. I love it. It's so soft. It's not like I thought it was going to be. This is I was worried that it would be like sometimes the ladies' Chanel sweaters, but this is really durable. It's not going to I was afraid it wouldn't wear very well. This is so beautiful. This is the side piece. This is the side cushion. Look at this. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. I'm so pleased, guys. Oh goodness. The other side piece. My husband's gonna have a great time putting this together. And here is the bottom piece. Look at that. I'm not sure which way it goes here. I think I guess it's going to go. This will be the tall side, as the bottom pieces looks like for the legs are there. So it's actually gonna go like this. I'm not quite sure. We'll figure it out. This is just the first piece. There will be 7 more pieces coming. I'll let you guys know. I can't wait to see the finished product. But wait, there's more. There was another cushion. So, the first box, we got the 2 side pieces, which is here. The 2 pillows, like the side arm pillows. And then the bottom square. And we got the legs. And here's the legs boxed up. And here's the assemble instructions. So my husband's gonna have lots of fun over the next couple of days. So the piece that came together in this square that I was unsure about, the pillow was inside. So this comes out, and this will go on top. And the legs will go in here. Fabric is wonderful. I really was unsure by looking at it online if I would like it or not. But I'm telling you, I love it. I'm just sort of temporarily putting it together so you can see. Oh my goodness. Of course, I'll have to put the legs on it. And then this will have to be secured. This It's huge, guys. It's gonna be amazing. And I have 7 more pieces coming. Look at this. Look at the fabric. Oh my gosh. Y'all, I'm in love. You're gonna love this. If you're looking to buy this, I can't wait to see the finished product, all pieces together. This is just a 1 piece. Oh, wait. Oh, there's just so much. I keep forgetting. Look. Look how adorable. How adorable is that? This is just halfway thrown together here, not completely put together. I'll show you the finished product, but I love it, guys. I love it.